Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today I'm unboxing Vellabox. This is a monthly artisanal, I should say, candle subscription. They do have 3 different subscription options. I'm guessing this is the first, which is just $10. You get one 4-ounce candle each month. There is also a an 8-ounce candle each month for $20, and then there is both a 4-ounce and an 8-ounce candle. Can I talk? I don't know. I don't think that's possible. So let me just do it again. $10 for one candle that's 4 ounces a month. Then an 8-ounce candle for $20 a month. And then finally 2 candles, one 4 ounces, one 8 ounces for $30 a month. How's that? Is that better? So I'm guessing just by the size of this is the one candle. I don't know if it's a 4 or an 8. We're going to find out. I think the box is super cute. I'm super excited because this box has been around for a long time and I've never unboxed it before. And I just, you know, that's always fun for me. It's a surprise. All right, so we open it up, and inside, look at this. Adopt the pace of nature. Her secret is patience. And that's a Ralph Waldo Emerson quote. And then you have, look at the bag it comes in. I'm like, cute. I love it. So you could gift this to somebody. I love this. Oh my gosh. I'm going to put all my candles in this bag. So the candle is from Banter and Bliss Candle Company, and this is Amber Antique. Ooh, yes. And it's made with coconut wax, hand-poured luxury candle made in Los Angeles. This is a 7-ounce, so this is actually the second, I'm guessing the second subscription, which is $20. Oh, I love teak. That smell is like very, I don't know, like calming and just, but fresh and clean smelling. And the amber gives it like a creamier, I always say creamy, and I don't think that's like the word that you use. I think it's more like a soft, but just really dreamy. I love it. All right, there's also, I love this. I'm so excited. Woohoo. There's also, looks like some tea bags in here. Don't worry, I'll let Swifty have her hello in a moment. She's right down here at my feet. So there's 2 Earl Grey tea bags from Ahmad London Tea. And I love tea, so I will accept. And then there is like a little card. Is that, so here's a little card. Okay, so it does tell you what was in the Vivere is like their 3rd subscription, which includes 2 candles. So the Amber Antique was in both, I'm guessing the $10 and the $20, just in different sizes. And then they had another one called Bamboo Citron in the box with 2 candles. Banter and Bliss is from San Pedro, California, and they do have a coupon code to get one, buy one, get one free. So if you do really like your candle, you can go and get a couple, you know, some good deals. In addition to their fragrant candles, Banter and Bliss is the premier provider of candle making experiences on the West Coast, with services from workshops to weddings to experiential activations. Ooh, for major brands. That sounds fun. All right, and then the Ahmad tea was a bonus gift. So that is everything that I received in my Vellabox. I'm like excited. I love this candle, and I love this candle bag. I don't know if I'll use, maybe I won't even use it for, I'll just use it for cool stuff. It's so cute. All right, anyway, I will link down below to my full review. I will also link to Vellabox so you can check them out. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.